Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to MyAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on step 2 of being a social media star. That means self-confident, trustworthy, authentic, and relatable. And step 2 is commenting on social posts. And we want to comment on other people's social posts, right? To drive engagement, create more friendships, create stronger relationships. So here I was in Facebook, right? And this is my friend Ellen. I'm just going to copy that, and here I'm going to paste the text of the post here. So just get rid of that here. So here's my friend Ellen, and I'm going to click to generate. And what's going to happen here is I'm going to get a meaningful, thoughtful comment, one better than I would have written myself, right? So this says, whoa, that's a stellar shot, Ellen. The reflection on the water is just, and then it creates a little heart emoji, which is perfect. I'm going to copy to clipboard, and engaging is absolutely essential on social media. That's why it's step 2. So I hit the love button and I paste, and just like that, I have an amazing, thoughtful comment on my friend's post, right? Here's another friend of mine, Carl Scott. I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to say here, Carl Scott says this. I'm going to paste, and I'm going to click to generate. I want to do this over and over again, right? The more times that you engage with others, the better it is. So I'm going to click to copy to clipboard. I'm going to hit the love button, and I'm going to come back here. I hit the love button, and I'm going to put bam, right? Enter. Awesome. Right? Now I have a great, meaningful comment. I can continue to go down here. We have Mike, right? Let's do it. And check this out. I'm just going to say Mike Tharp. Bam. And generate. And it's going to create another meaningful comment. I'm commenting on a social post, right? Copy to clipboard. Go here. Hit the love button, right? And paste. This works the same way on all different social platforms, right? So I'm going to go to LinkedIn, and I'm going to find a post by one of my friends. You can see here, this one is by Sherry Sullivan. And I'm going to copy here, and I'm going to come right back here. Okay. Paste. I'm going to generate a great comment. And what's awesome about this is my comments, right? I'm going to go right on over and see if that comment, right, for LinkedIn. So changes it up right there for LinkedIn. I'm going to click to copy to clipboard. I'm going to go right on over here. Let me see if I can find that post again. There it is. I'm going to hit the love button, and then I can comment on that post, which is awesome, right? So super simple. That's how you create great comments on social media, and make sure that you're doing this over and over again. The more times that you engage with others, the more that people will engage with you. But you're standing out from the crowd, creating great, thoughtful, meaningful comments on social posts. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of MyAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that MyAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on MyAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.